It's a really nice, welcoming space for the students here in Dubai.
So we're on the second floor in Building 4.
Building 4.
And this is the main campus where all the classes will happen.
Yes,
right?
yeah. This is Namrata. She's part of our student hub.
Hi, Namrata. I'm Piyush.
So this is our campus here, and we'll kind of go through it so you can see everything. All right. So welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Campus.
Thank you.
So it's a really nice, welcoming space for the students here in Dubai. What's nice is that we have a really diverse group of students coming from all over the world.
Right.
And then it's really nice because, you know, in Dubai, it's 85% expat.
Yes.
So we have that Dubai expat local,
Right.
you know, as well.
And how many students would be there in this campus?
So right now we have 275. So we're a pretty new campus in comparison to the main campuses in Germany.
Right.
But we have a lot of growth plans for this
But
year.
there's also kind of like for the early adopters, like people who are early, you know, to identify. You have so many partnerships.
Yes.
Now it's fewer people, so lesser competition, and you know,
Yes.
the resources are yours.
And there's lots of opportunity because when we have those partnerships and it's time for internships, so all of the students in bachelor program have to do an internship or study abroad in their 5th semester.
Okay.
So it's really nice because we have all of these partnerships with Bosch, with BMW, with DHL, and a number of other German
The
groups.
entire German mafia.
Yes,
You know?
yeah,
So, like,
here in Dubai.
here
So
in
we do have options. So this is our virtual library. So the space is our library space, but our books are online.
Books are online, yes. You can just go in. This is called the DHL library.
Yes, this is sponsored by DHL.
Sorry, guys.
So about filming the student, just make sure that they're not in the video. So as we come this way, this is one of our main lecture theaters. This is the main lecture theater.
Yeah.
So it's nice because we're able to have so many different guest speakers from all of the different businesses here in the One Central to come and talk about everything. What's really happening in the world right now and in the business market. So what's nice about that applied sciences aspect of our degrees is that it's really hands-on with the companies that we have partnerships with and the educational sector. Yeah. In a minute, it'll show ads for all the activities we're doing. So we have, even though the campus is in the middle of a big business hub area, we still have the basic things that you would expect from the campus. We have sports club, we have book club, we have dance club, we have all kinds of different activities.
We saw that when we were coming up, that Bain & Company, one of the top consulting companies, is in this building.
It's here in this company.
And Megan also shared that, you know, Tetter School of Business, they're also sharing these facilities. So, I mean, more guest faculty coming through Tetter as well to the campus. So that adds to the, you know, the opportunities that students can collaborate with.
Absolutely. And so we have our Bosch Cafe here on this side. It's sponsored by Bosch. And students are able to come and have lunch.
This is with the partnership with Bosch.
Yes, and so all the appliances here, the microwave, the sink are all Bosch appliances.
Yeah, very, very smart of the university.
Yeah, it was really nice. I mean, and they're really good products. So we're lucky to have them. So as we follow along with the rest of the campus, so we do have our student hub on site, and this is for any student services students may need during their time here at school. So this involves anything, career counseling, or they just don't know how to get into their email, any of the basic things. The Student Hub is here all the time to come and help them.
The more classrooms here.
Yeah. And we have a computer lab for data science degrees down at the far end. So our capacity is about 1,500 students.
1,500
so
students.
We're able to be here if we're at full capacity.
Maybe only till next year.
Yes, that's the plan.
That's the plan, right? This is the lab for data science.
Yeah. And computer engineering. Software engineering. Yeah, they're having a class right now. So, I mean, really, it is quite a big campus. Let's see if anybody is in here.
It's a lot of classrooms all along,
So Friday nights are mostly chill because it's the holy day. But Saturday is probably actually our busiest day because that's when we have all of the master's classes from various different arts and sciences and business degrees all coming in.
And the Saturday classes are in the morning or the?
All day long.
All day long.
Yeah, from 8 till 8.
8 till 8, okay. So Saturday is the tough, guys. It's going to be tough if you are here.
And then everybody goes out, you know, after that. So, I mean, what's really great is the space is able to grow with us as a new campus, and we have so many opportunities here on site.
So when we say that we have like about 270 odd students, then how many of them would be from India?
Probably a third.
A third of them?
Yeah, yes.
We have had a few students come here. Unfortunately, I was not able to set up a meeting with our student here, and hence this was not part of the plan, but it's always important to sort of understand where we are advising our students to go to.
Yes. Yes.
So that unless we have seen it and experienced it ourselves, it's sort of not fully there.
Yes.
So, but yeah, I think, so here where we have all the classrooms, the library, the data lab and the computer science lab for the students, some common spaces for students to hang out.
Yes.
Right now, of course, the student community is much smaller.
Yeah.
But like you mentioned, for undergrad, the students get to do 1 semester abroad or as an internship.
Yeah, they can do a semester abroad or an internship in their 5th semester. And then we do also have a program that once you finish 1 full year here at the Dubai campus, that you can transfer to one of our German locations.
Right.
So that's Berlin, Isfahan, Potsdam, or Hamburg.
Right.
And so that's a really nice next step if people want to come and start their journey here in Dubai, but then ultimately want to end up in Europe.
In Europe.
Then it's a good transfer program.
And is something like that available for master students as well?
Yes. Yeah.
And how does
it's
that work?
Same, as long as they finish 1 full year here, they can finish their last semester, their last credit hours in Germany, and then they would get a German certificate.
And do they get post-study work permit in Germany?
Yes.
If they do that?
So if they do that, then they get...
So they do a year here and a year in Germany. And then because they've done a full year in Germany, they also get the German post-study work permit. And they get exposure of 2 different countries.
Absolutely. And so you have, I mean, it's the niceties that come with living in Europe, and then the niceties that come with living in Dubai. So it's a really nice.
So you get exposure to 2 job markets, absolutely, and 2 different cultures, which definitely is very, very meaningful. So also, does it create any kind of a cost difference for the students if they're studying here in Dubai versus in Germany?
Luckily, at the moment, our cost structure is similar. So even it doesn't matter if you choose Berlin or here, the costs are pretty much the same. The only thing students need to think about is cost of living.
Yeah.
And making sure that you have the right connections here in Dubai to have the right living situation coming to country.
And of course, I think I have met students who are living for as low as 2,000 dirham a month to those spending 6,000 to 7,000 dirham a month. So I met students like across the range. And I think it's, of course, everyone has their own budget and they plan accordingly.
Yeah.
The main difference is, I think, comes in the accommodation.
Accommodation is probably the highest expense for our students. There are a few options for specific student accommodation here in Dubai, but those fill up quickly because now the growth of university in Dubai is increasing significantly.
That's what I was going to ask.
Get in early.
Yeah. Do you guys have any partnerships with any accommodation providers?
Yes, we have partnerships with 2 groups here in Dubai, Yugo and Marriott. And then I'm working on some new partnerships moving forward because we definitely see that.
I think Marriott, everyone is partnered with, and hence Marriott is always full.
So they're very busy, and they're also the most expensive.
And they're also most
it's a very nice space, but
we were at the Academic City facility yesterday.
Yes.
And of course, it was buzzing, and you'd want to live there.
Yeah,
as a student, you'd love to be there. Yes, yeah.
And so one of the things, though, from being in this space that I am personally trying to create is that sense of family, that home away from home that students can have here. And it is possible because we're smaller, and I know almost every student here on campus. And we're trying to do activities that bring everyone to campus. So if their housing situation isn't exactly what they want, then they do have a safe space to come here and be here to do activities. We're about to put in a gaming system in the Bosch Cafe, which is an initiative from the Student Council that I'm definitely supporting because I want them in here. And we're really hoping for foosball tables. And we're going to have some really fun activities to do. And we try to have a lot of different parties and mixers so that all the students are still getting that typical university,
especially at an undergraduate level,
yes,
where they have more time as well, and then they're making their early friends, their early network. Do you also have shuttles from here to the accommodation providers?
So we don't have shuttles, but we are walking distance to the metro.
Right.
So it's very easy to get to. And
Which
there
would be
are
the
a lot
closest metro station from here? The Emirates?
that one, but
Okay.
Dubai World Trade Center. I think.
Dubai, yeah.
Dubai World Trade Center.
Dubai World Trade Center.
Yes. And so it's quite close, and then it's about maybe 100 meters,
Okay.
from the metro to
Okay,
here.
so that's pretty good. I mean, then if you are close to the metro, then you can just
You
get
can
by
go
anywhere.
anywhere. Yeah, and a majority of our students and about half the staff probably use the metro.
Use the metro.
Yeah, typically.
And anything you'd like to, tell the Indian students especially, how they can prepare to do better in Dubai or, at University of Europe?
Yeah, I think it's really important for a student coming into Dubai to understand the network of the city, understand where you want to live, do research about moving to Dubai before you move to Dubai.
Yeah.
Come to Dubai because we'll be your family away from home. So I think that's a really good idea. And just, get the experience, the international experience, living in a place that is so diverse, so accepting. Just, it's a really wonderful place to
And
live.
I think
If you come here,
especially
you'll really
like
be happy.
I've traveled across the world, but Dubai feels more international.
Oh, 100%.
Right?
Yeah.
Just so many different people.
Yes.
And sort of kind of like not so much in like it's not like all Indians and like it's kind
Correct,
of like in
yeah.
an equal proportion.
It is really just a good, healthy mix.
Right.
Everyone from all over the world.
Right.
And it's nice because we have students here from Kyrgyzstan and all kinds of places that I've never been to,
yeah.
and so it's really cool.
You get to see the world through your students,
yes, yeah, and they can tell me about, we're working on our holiday party coming up, and so one of the things I want to bring is everybody to bring their home experiences of what they do during the winter season and share it with one another,
Amazing. That's great. Do you mind sharing a little bit about the job market as you see? What's the career opportunities?
Sure.
Maybe we can just take a seat with
Yeah.
University of Europe in the back. And
Yeah, actually, we can sit here maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cute. Dangler legs. Oh, it doesn't.
it doesn't
You
move.
just have to sit near each other.
All right. So thank you so much, Mengim, for sharing and showing us your campus. Now that we have done that, I would like to learn a little bit more from you about the Dubai job market. Right. So of course, there are a lot of German companies that the school is working with.
Yes.
But tell us, in general, if somebody's wanting to study in Dubai, what are the top careers that one should come here for?
I mean, the good news is the AI just world in general is exploding right now, and there are lots of different companies coming from all over the world to set up their hubs here in Dubai. So that is a really big, next step kind of opportunity for lots of people because that job market is growing the most, more than anything else right now.
And we have all the technology and data science related
all, like, the
programs available here.
technology. And also for Dubai, the rulers and the sheikhs of Dubai are really interested in keeping with the times and making sure to innovate and wanting to be the top innovative country, here in Dubai. So the backing from a financial aspect is there, and so it's nice to.
Yeah, what I hear from the students is that the mindset is that we need to be number one.
Yes.
There is no place for number two, So.
Yes, and then right now the air show is going on at the airport, and they're about to roll out the drone taxis.
Okay.
And so that has been approved.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
is happening. So we're about to have that soon. And I think we're the first ones. I think Dubai.
I have not heard anywhere else. Yes.
You'll have to see it.
Yeah.
Google it after
Yeah.
this. It's really interesting. So, I mean, and the nice thing is they're thinking about sustainability. They're thinking about the future in technologies. So it's a really wonderful place to be to get into the cutting edge of any new market.
Right.
It's happening here, and the finances are.
And
there
what
to
do
back
your business students, the MBA students,
Yes.
what kind of industries, what kind of roles are they getting jobs in?
Yeah, I mean, it's a good, healthy mix of lots of different things. I mean, with the arts and design students, they're getting really interesting jobs and programs with, sorry, you might have to cut it, we'll come back.
That's
What are they doing? Sorry. Pause. They were doing this big project a minute ago.
Are they
So
working with like
for-
the construction companies,
Yeah.
like for interior design and?
So yeah, because the arts and design students right now are getting a lot of positions where they get to put forth their design ideas on major projects that are happening in Dubai and will actually be built.
Okay.
So they are working on a lot of things like that. The MBA students, the great news is that there's so many different companies here. I mean, the partnerships that we have already with the German partnerships, but everybody has a home office now in Dubai. And so they're getting positions with all of these really well-known name groups.
Do we have any programs for supply chain management here?
We have shipping and logistics as concentration within the MBA program. And we do have a significant amount of students in that program because here we have Jebel Ali Port and a lot of students are working with.
We were just having lunch with the CEO of one of the #1 shipping companies in Dubai. I mean, maybe #1 company in the world. German origin, and I mean, they say that they are aggressively expanding.
100%, because I mean, that's the wonderful thing about Dubai. It is the center of the world right now, and so everything is either coming in or coming out of Dubai on so many different levels, and even not just shipping, but also like with DHL and with Emirates and the cargo aspect of things coming and going out of the country. I mean, it's the world's your oyster, really.
Perfect, and thank you so much. And if you guys have been, interested in knowing about the both Dubai come Germany opportunities, the advantage of having a German university here is because probably they have all the German companies here, but University of Europe, they have the tie-ups with them, and you can get opportunities for interning and full-time jobs. I would say that is the #1 differentiator between UE and some of the other UK or Australian universities that you might find here in Dubai. It's also located in a very high-density top company complex, right? We saw all the big names right in the building. Like you were saying, you don't know who you are if you are the CEO of a big company in the elevator while going to class. Also, it's a very small school right now. So it's only 270 students, expecting to grow to 1,000 plus in the next couple of years. So you have a lot of personal attention, a much smaller class, and still very diverse, and students from all over the world. So if I have to put it in a nutshell, that's UE for you guys. And if you found this information useful and you want to know more about UE, just put it in the comment and I'm going to answer those questions for you. And we put a lot of effort. And so does Megan. She's stalled her program, her plans for the Friday evening just for you guys. So do subscribe to the channel so that you get to understand and learn from more such valuable interactions. So till then, guys, thank you so much. And I will see you all in the next video.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.